Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Conflict Zone. Please subscribe and like my videos. Today we're diving deep into Russia's new killer drone that has shocked the world. At first glance it may look like just another unmanned aerial vehicle, but the more you look, the more you realize this is a different breed. On the exterior you'll notice its sleek design, low-profile fuselage, swept wings, and a lightweight frame built for speed and agility. The materials seem optimized to reduce radar signature and minimize detection. Its launch module is compact and mobile, meaning it can be deployed quickly from forward areas. The airframe appears to carry integrated sensor pods along its wings or nose cone, suggesting advanced targeting capability. Although Russia hasn't officially released full specs, open-source analysis shows a trend toward high-end loitering munitions with autonomous features. This exterior architecture gives it both the appearance and capability of a craft meant to surprise and strike without warning. Now let's talk about what happens inside the interior. This is where the real story lies. Within its structure you'll find an advanced guidance suite, inertial measurement units, satellite navigation GNSS or GLONASS backup, and likely machine, vision or infrared sensors allowing target recognition. Reports indicate Russian systems are increasingly involving AI in target classification. The processing unit inside likely uses high-performance chips, perhaps including foreign-designed microprocessors and sophisticated electronics, as various captured drones have revealed Western and Asian origin components. The payload bay is compact but lethal. Warhead options range from shaped explosive charges to fragmentation loads designed to destroy vehicles, bunkers, or strategic infrastructure. Some reports suggest warhead weights in the range of tens of kilograms for certain models. The propulsion system appears to be a high-efficiency engine, perhaps a piston or small turbofan depending on variant, allowing high speeds and extended loiter time. The fuel system, avionics, and structural components reflect a mature design, not a prototype. Moreover, the drone's interior incorporates redundancy and countermeasures, encrypted comms links, anti-jamming hardware, and possibly decoy features to defeat air defense systems. The interior layout emphasizes survivability, autonomy, and flexibility of missions. In practical terms, that means once launched, the drone can fly to a target area, loiter, search for a target, or be guided remotely, then strike with precision, all while the operator may just monitor. Add to that swarm or salvo employment, and you get a system built not just for a single strike but to overwhelm defenses. For performance, we look at speed, range, payload, and tactical flexibility. This drone reportedly reaches high subsonic speeds, climbs quickly to mission altitude, and can evade typical radar and air defense nets by flying low or using stealthy profiles. Some recent Russian announcements claim ranges of several hundred kilometers, bringing strategic depth into what used to be short-haul strike missions. Autonomy means it can self-navigate into contested zones. Payload capacity is enough to destroy light vehicles, command posts, or infrastructure. This is not a reconnaissance UAV, it's a killer. Reports say the drone's loiter time is sufficient to circle, choose or wait for the right moment, then dive in. Also, multiple launch options, truck-mounted, rail-launched, containerized, make it highly deployable in varied terrain. In short, high-speed, long-range, smart target acquisition, lethal payload. That combination brings a new level of threat. Safety features, yes. Even in weapons systems, there are safety considerations from the operator side and design protections. The drone houses fail-safe mechanisms. If communications are lost or jamming is detected, it can return to safe mode or self-destruct to prevent capture of sensitive tech. The electronics are hardened against EMP or electronic warfare interference. The launch system includes safe arming procedures so that if extraction is needed, the drone can be safely deactivated. From a defense perspective, the design tries to reduce collateral damage by employing precision strike heads and target classification to minimize unintended casualties, although in wartime such claims are always subject to verification. For the deploying side, operator interface and ground launch integration are designed to allow quick aborts or rerouting if mission parameters change. So while we call it a killer drone, the system is built with multiple layers of operational safety and control. What makes this drone stand out? Its unique selling points. First, autonomy. The ability to detect and hit targets with minimal human intervention elevates it beyond earlier remote, piloted drones. Second, cost-effectiveness. It apparently delivers high lethality at a fraction of a cruise missile cost. Third, deployability. Compact launch systems, transportability, ability to operate from forward bases. Fourth, intelligence integration. Machine vision, AI target recognition, swarming capability, networked operations. Fifth, adaptability. Different warhead types, mission profiles, anti-armor, infrastructure, decoy, loitering strike mean this platform is multi-role. And lastly, psychological impact. The suddenness of strike, low signature, autonomous behavior create a deterrence effect. In the gray zone of modern warfare, those characteristics combine to give this drone a strategic edge. As for price, while exact figures are classified, credible sources estimate unit cost in modest tens of thousands to a few $100,000 depending on variant and warhead. For example, one report suggests some drones cost as little as $10,000 each when produced at scale for decoy or simple strike roles. For heavier variants with longer range, more expensive sensors and warhead, estimates go up significantly. The cost versus effectiveness equation here is critical. You get super lethal payload, long range, autonomy at a cost far below manned aircraft or heavy missiles. That opens up mass deployment, saturation tactics, and strategic disruption with limited investment. In conclusion, Russia's new killer drone represents a shift in modern warfare. Externally a sleek high-performance UAV, internally a machine built for autonomy, lethality, and resilience. Performance-wise a long-range, fast surprise weapon. Safety-wise equipped with operator controls and fail-safes. Unique selling points include autonomy, cost efficiency, deployability, intelligence, integration, and mass use potential. And in terms of price, it offers dramatic capability at a comparatively low cost. If you're watching this and wondering whether drone warfare is future or now, the answer is increasingly now. The battlefield is evolving, and this drone may be one of its harbingers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until next time, stay aware and stay safe.